Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to make your PDF interactive and embed it on your website. Let's get started. From your main dashboard, click the Create button and upload your PDF file. In the Customize section, you can upload your logo, adjust your brand colors, add lead form, and use many other customization options. For more engagement, head over in our design studio and make your PDF interactive. In the Interaction tab, you can see several different options. You can add links to guide your reader in your website, embed videos to enhance your content, or include photo slideshows to showcase more visuals. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Share Now button. Choose your visibility options and click Publish. On the right side of the overview page, click Embed Code. A pop-up will appear where you can adjust the flipbook size. If you want it to be mobile-friendly, make sure the responsive option is checked. You can also choose which page the flipbook starts on. Now just copy the embed code and paste it into your website. For extra security, you can enable domain restrictions, ensuring your flipbook can only be embedded on your approved website. Note that private flipbooks cannot be embedded on external sites due to security protocols. This helps maintain control over your sensitive content distribution. Also, if you edit the flipbook after you embed it somewhere, the changes will appear automatically on your website. You don't have to embed it. Ready to take the next step? Bring your documents to life and start creating today with Flipsnack.